Welcome back to our Mastering AI Voice Lesson 3, Understanding AI Voice Emotions. One of the things we're going to discuss in this session is how you're going to add emotion to the audio you're creating inside of 11 Labs. When you're creating a direct response, you want to be able to convey emotion. Now, when you're talking about educational marketing, you're not necessarily talking about conveying emotion, but you do want to make sure that your voice is going to be human sounding and not monotone. So if all you're going to do is just put something into a monotone voice, people are not necessarily going to learn that much, not going to tune in and pay attention. But within 11 Labs, you can use it so that you can convey emotions and even laughter. We'll talk a little bit about that here in these masterclasses. Things like what is the most important element to the marketing fundamentals and 11 Labs? Where do those things intersect? How do you do something uniquely that other people cannot do? How do you give people something that people can only get from you? What is the definition of a USP? Well, one of the ways in which you do that, or the most efficient way, is to use 11 Labs by providing a consistent sounding voice that only you can create. Every voice is unique in how it reads and expresses words within 11 Labs. So, what you're going to find is that when you generate voice using the built in voices, it'll process it differently each time, depending on which AI voice you use. But what you really want to do for your customers is you want to make sure that you're giving them a unique voice or brand voice. And that's one of the ways in which you can deliver your USP. Now, I want you to understand that even spacing matters. So, how you put the document together, how you space it matters. You can change a space to change the way the AI reads your voice. And so, you're going to have to be aware of how you use spaces. And when you have a problem, one of the things you can do so that the AI reads it correctly is to change some of the spacing. Not surprisingly, punctuation matters also. Where you put commas will dictate sometimes how the AI reads something. You might want to add a semicolon, even though it's not grammatically correct. The AI will read that semicolon, and sometimes it will pause, or sometimes it will convey a specific kind of emotion to try to guess to what it is you're trying to say. And paragraphs matter. So if you change something from a long block of text to, let's say, 3 or 4 paragraphs, the AI is going to read that differently. In the next session, we will show how to include emotion prompts within 11 Labs. Thanks for watching. Head on over to incommonhumans.com for more free lessons.